Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. So in this Photoshop tutorial, we're going to share with you a great technique for how you can age someone using Photoshop. So we're going to take this picture of this model and we're going to make her look incredibly older in a matter of seconds. So we want to start off by selecting filter, and we want to select neural filters, and then we'll just take a few seconds to load these filters from the clouds. This is a new beta feature currently available in Photoshop 2021. So it just takes a few seconds just to load, and then it will bring up various options. So you've got skin smoothing and style transfer. The one that we want to select is beta filters, and then from there we want to select smart portrait, so select that toggle. And then from there we have various options which we can do to alter the appearance of our model, so we can make her happier by moving these sliders up, or we could change the subject's hair thickness, light direction. There's various different features that we can play around with to get a different result. So the option we want to select is facial age. So what we're going to do is just increase this to be as high as possible. And then you'll notice in the top right corner, the circle is going all the way around. And this is just Photoshop processing the filter from the cloud. So it may take a few seconds to the end result to be achieved. But once it's achieved, it will then update the preview. And there you go, so that's updated, so you can evidently see that it's added a lot more wrinkles across her forehead, and it's lightened the hair colour to show that she's actually aged. So once you're happy with the result, select OK. And then what it will do is it will create a new layer on top with the aged version on top and the original at the bottom, so you can see the difference. So there is like a significant age difference looking at the new layer that's been created. Hope this is a good Photoshop tutorial which you can play around with different images and have a lot of fun with. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for the quick tips on how to use Photoshop.